Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we will talk all about nouns. Are you ready? Let's play a game.
Yay!
Can you tell different names of persons, animals, places, and things? Write down as many as possible. Okay, kids, come read with me. Joggers,
Joggers,
telephone,
telephone,
the library,
the library,
the principal's office,
the principal's office,
the gym,
the gym,
animals,
animals,
butterflies,
butterflies,
doctor,
doctor,
teacher,
teacher,
Sarah,
Sarah,
student,
student,
Ali.
Ali.
Kids, can you tell what we call these words? Yes, nouns. Nouns or naming words. Nouns are words used to represent a person, animal, place, thing, or an idea.
Let us classify each noun. Let's start with the word teacher is a person noun. How about the noun telephone?
It's a thing.
Very good. The principal's office, do you know it's a place? Good. Animals,
It's an animal.
what about the name Sarah? Yes, it is teacher's name and teacher is a noun. Good students. The library,
It's a place.
joggers,
It's a name of thing.
next student,
It's a person noun.
butterflies,
Are animals.
the gym,
Is the name of place and it is a noun.
Ali, and lastly doctor is also person noun. Very good kids.
Types of nouns. So kids remember, noun can be common or proper, abstract or concrete, singular or plural. Let's see each type separately. Common noun, general name of person, place, animal, and thing is called common noun. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. For example, Mother, can you play with me? In this sentence, mother is a common noun. Special name given to people, places, pets, and things are proper nouns. All the words in a proper noun begin with a capital letter. For example, my uncle lives in New Zealand. Let's take a look at following pictures and learn more about common and proper nouns. City. City is a common noun. But if we name the city Lahore, then it is called proper noun. Poet. And the proper noun is Allama Iqbal. Cat. Can you please tell proper noun for cat?
Kitty.
Good. Ball.
Football.
Very nice. Boy.
Proper noun is Ali.
Excellent. Month.
Proper noun is January.
Good. Concrete. There are many words to name the things that are around us. Anything you can see, touch, smell, taste, or hear is a noun. A type of noun called concrete noun. For example, mountain can be seen, flowers can be smelled, guitar can be heard, food can be tasted, rain can be touched. These are all called concrete nouns. Abstract. Abstract nouns are opposite of concrete nouns. There are nouns for ideas. These are a little trickier to understand as we cannot see or touch them. But even though we can only feel them, we still need names for things like kindness is a quality, laughter is an action, beauty is state of being, love and happiness. These are called abstract nouns. Singular or plural. Nouns can be singular, like if there is only one dog, or they can be plural if there are several dogs. Kids, I hope this helped you to understand what a noun is and learn a noun of each thing. Difference between few types of nouns. Thank you, kids. Enjoy learning.